Hello and good day. The question that commonly arises is, can coughing or sneezing cause a herniated disc? The answer is yes. Remember that discs wear out primarily by bad posture, anterior head translation, pronated shoulders, looking down incorrectly with the head being forward in front of the shoulders for long periods of time. The discs eventually go through degenerative changes. The other secondary portion of disc problems is trauma. A fall, a whiplash, incorrect lifting. It could be at the gym, maybe something out of your trunk, lifting incorrectly, even potentially bending down and lifting something off the ground, because 2/3 of your weight is from your hips upwards, so your whole chest going forward and your whole torso has a tremendous amount of load and weight. So if you don't lean over correctly, and by the way, the correct way to lean over would be to bend your knees, keep the knees straight, bend the knees and keep the back straight. And by keeping the back straight, you're going to inhibit and prevent that extra load to the lower back and the disc regions. But what happens is when the discs are weak and you cough or sneeze, what is happening is you're building intrathecal pressure. The thecal sac, which is around the spinal cord and around the brain, but at the level of the weakened discs, when the increased pressure arises greater than it can withstand, it can actually tear. Now understand that the coughing, the sneezing is hitting the weakest link. Other positive tests that we check neurologically is that we'll ask the patient, when you cough, when you sneeze, or when you go to the bathroom and you strain as if you're bearing down when going to the bathroom, does that make the pain worse? And if the patient or the person says yes, then obviously there could be underlying disc weakness or disc herniation already. Generally, by the intrathecal pressure, intradiscal pressure, you're causing that irritation, inflammation on the nerve root, which can cause the pain to radiate down a leg if it's coming from the lower back, or if it's the neck going down the arm. So if you have questions, you can shoot me whatever questions you have, and maybe I can give you some advice, but I thought that would be some great information to share with you. Anyways, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.